Hello and welcome Noans. In this video, we're going to talk about custom packages in which we're going to utilize using our AI assistant. So let's go to our AI assistant and give it a simple prompt such as build a modern designed QR code app that reads and generates QR codes, and press enter. Let's wait until it builds. Okay, now that our AI has generated for us our application, which we can see here, let's build it. And for this build, we're going to use an actual real device because we're going to need the camera function to scan our QR code. So let's build. Now, since our QR code application has successfully built, let's use this QR code available here to scan it. So we're gonna press scan now, and as you can see, it's scanned and it's asking us to scan another. So let's click on scan another, and it's scanning real time. Maybe we should add a delay in the future. Now let's go back and try our QR generator. So let's type Nowa.dev and press generate, and it has successfully generated a QR code for us. This was it for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you soon.